Hello guys, this is Akash Singh and from today I have decided to learn AI ML or let's say ML. So today what I learned is first we need to import data sets from online websites called Hugging Face. So in Hugging Face, if you don't know, Hugging Face is a website where you can get unlimited data or every types of data sets for free. You can just go and visit there and see all the data are available there. So what I'm doing here is I'm importing these data sets provided by Hugging Face and downloading IMDb. If you don't know what is IMDb, IMDb is the movie review website. Let's see what Google will say. IMDb is nothing but it will provide us detail about movie rating, reviews, and everything about movies. So it have all the ratings and the ratings and all the data sets are in the Hugging Face. So what we are doing is what we are doing is we are importing these IMDb data sets from Hugging Face and let's print for our first steps. So when you click this run run Python file, it will take few minutes or let's say few seconds, and it will print here because I have written here print data sets. So whatever data got downloaded, it will print here. So you can see here I have trained data 25,000 number of data or number of rows. Test data are 25,000 and unsupervised data 25,000. Every data have text and label. So what is text? Text is the reviews and labels is like a rating. Let's say the labels will be like 0 and 1. So the one label will be the good reviews and 0 labels will be the bad reviews. So the labels can be only two types here, and text can be the reviews given by the users. So this data we have got. So if you are doing this for the first time, you are loading this data for the first time, it may take few minutes because I have already downloaded this data. If you want to check where the data is data have got downloaded, you can go to your local disk C drive, and inside users, inside this your laptop username, my laptop username is Legion, and inside this you can see this dot catch, and inside this Hugging Face is there. So our data came from Hugging Face, so the folder name is here Hugging Face, and you can see all the data sets are here. So inside data sets, my recently downloaded data are IMDb. You can see here the size is 376 MB. This is very big data sets. Not very big, but it is big because it is only text, right? Plain text, and the plain text size is 376 MB. So it is not a small data. uh, so because I have already downloaded, then it took few seconds, like around 8 to 10 seconds to load because the data are too big. You can see here around 1 lakh data are here. So this is the first step of learning ML. So in second steps, what I learn is we need transformer. In the second step, what we need to do is let's uncomment this. Now we want to whatever data we got from IMDb. Now we want to see the data and convert it into numbers so that the computer understand numbers. The computer don't understand the words, right? Like we read the words, the computer cannot read like human. So the computer needs to understand the words in the form of numbers. So for that we do tokenization. So to do this, what we do is first we have to import this auto tokenizer from transformer. So what is auto tokenizer? It is the name itself says auto. It means automatic. It automatically tokenize the words into number. What it does is auto tokenizer uh, use this tokenization technique, and the technique it copies this technique how this is tokenizing, and then it convert into tokenizer. So basically it is copying this, how this method tokenize, it copies their techniques and keep for them to use in future. So the tokenizer is the recent variable. So what, so suppose we have a sentence, I love pizza with extra cheese. So just now we have this tokenizer variable which is auto tokenizer. So we keep this sentence inside this auto tokenizer and we will see this result. So let's see what kind of result we will get. So it will take few seconds depending upon your, of course, RAM or CPU or GPU. Okay, the result is here. So let's see, the magic tokenizer shows, the magic tokenizer shows original sentence, original sentence, I love extra cheese, right? What we gave input is I love extra cheese. So after tokenization, what we got output is 1011. See, this is in the form of numbers, right? So this is only called the tokenization. The process of converting our text into tokens are called tokenizations, or text words into numbers are called tokenizations. And one means label. Just now I taught you one and zero are the two types of labels available. One means important, zero is not important, or one is good review, zero is bad review. You can think like that. So all the data are here. After tokenization, it gives us in the form of input IDs, attendance mass, in the form of these two input, these two keys we got the tokenization. So we can also see, so we can also get inside the result. So one thing I forgot to teach you, what I gave, I love pizza with extra cheese. So what, how this will work is, see, I, okay, not this, yeah. So see, this is the kind of tokens our computer understands. So before we start any words, what our tokenization do is, it uses this CLS before any word starts. The start of sentence, before the start of sentence, it uses CLS, and at the end of the sentence, it uses SEP. So the code or the tokenization number value is 102 and 103. See, here also we have 102, 103. So at what we have here, 102. Okay, let's forget this. So what this does is, suppose if we give on a sentence I love pizza, and it does is, it uses this CLS in front of I and uses SEP in the at the last of our sentence, right? So it makes one variable, 2, 3, 4, and this also it will exclude from this 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tokens are here. So CLS is nothing but 101. SCP is nothing but 102. So let's see here. Similarly here 101 is there because CLS comes automatically before the sentence and SCP comes automatically after the sentence, right? So 102 is here at the end. And you can say one is look at this word, and 0 means ignore this word. So we don't have any ignore word. So we have all the labels are 1. So these are the basic things what I learned today for day 1. And also we can decode it, or let's say if we already have this tokenized value or tokenized input, we can go back by just using tokenizer.decode. This decode functions will reverse your output. So when we want to tokenize, we just need to use this tokenizer. When we want to decode or go back, go reverse, we have to use those. We have to just add this dot decode. So after decoded, so what our value is, I love pizza with extra cheese, and just as I told you, CLS and ACP will be added at the beginning and at the end, so it is also being seen here. So this is the thing I learned for day one. If you want to get updated and understand how ML works, so please stay updated. Please like my channel and subscribe, so you will get the latest videos. What I will learn, I will keep teaching you. So if you also want this code, I will try to upload it in my GitHub. So you can get from there, or you can get from there. Thank you.